What if I told you that a completely faceless YouTube channel could be built from the ground up entirely by artificial intelligence in literally less than 7 days? Today, we are unpacking a fascinating and, frankly, super intense experiment. We're looking at a creator who just handed the keys completely over to the machine. And listen to me right now, you absolutely need to stick around to see what happened on day 5, because the result of this experiment honestly shook the internet, and it might just change how you consume media forever. The core question driving this entire explainer is actually really simple. Can AI build a successful, thriving channel from scratch in less than a week? And when we say AI, I mean strictly AI. We are talking about absolute us versus machine tension here. In this experiment, there was no human editor tweaking the cuts, there's no human writer crafting the jokes, absolutely zero human voice actors, just a person giving artificial intelligence complete unbridled control to see what it would build all on its own. And to make this a true ground zero experiment, the whole project started right here at zero. A brand new, completely faceless channel with exactly 0 subscribers. No built-in audience, no algorithm advantage, literally no safety net whatsoever. Just a blank slate waiting for an artificial brain to take over. You know, millions of people are trying to build online businesses right now, but almost no one is talking about how fast AI is actually capable of replacing human creators. So, the creator hit go. Okay, let's dive into this. Day 1. The first thing a machine needs to do to conquer an algorithm is pick a niche. The creator went to multiple AI tools and asked one simple, incredibly loaded question. What content has the highest chance of going viral in 2026? They didn't ask for a safe bet. They asked for raw, viral potential. And the AI tools fired back almost instantly with identical, dangerously clickable niches. Fear, money, AI, automation. It locked onto topics like AI replacing jobs, hidden AI tools, and faceless YouTube automation. And guys, it didn't stop there. The AI immediately wrote the very first script. Literally within seconds, it generated a hook that, honestly, was punchier and better crafted than what most beginners could write after weeks of trying. It was fast, and it was ruthlessly efficient. Moving right into day 2, we see where the machine really revs its engines. Step 1, voice generation. The creator plugged the script into an AI voice tool, and boom, it sounded incredibly real. No weird robot pauses, just a clean, professional narrator. Then steps 2 and 3, the creator dumped everything into an AI video editor, and the AI just completely took the wheel. It automatically added subtitles, background music, slick transitions, zoom effects, and perfectly timed stock footage. The whole shebang. It handled the entire editing process at lightning speed.
And the absolute craziest part of all of this, it actually looked good. Seriously. The pacing, the visuals, the audio mix, it wasn't just passable, it was highly professional. It was genuinely engaging.
But hey, a good production means nothing if nobody actually clicks on it, right? So by day 3, the creator asked the AI to build the most clickable thumbnail possible. And the AI delivered an absolute masterclass in viral psychology. It generated visuals with high emotion faces, neon bright colors, crazy bold text, and this intense fear-based curiosity. It perfectly mimicked the exact aesthetic of those viral, multimillionaire creators. Turns out, AI already understands human psychology and exactly what makes us click better than most actual humans do.
And this brilliantly illustrates that aggressive optimization, literally stating, your job is next. I've got to be honest with you, if that popped up in my feed, I would probably click that terrifying thumbnail too. It knows exactly which psychological buttons to push to just demand our attention. So, we reach day 4, the upload, the moment of truth. The AI-generated title was, "This AI tool could replace your job in 2026, complete with a flushed-faced emoji." The creator hit publish, and remember the stakes here, absolutely nothing was expected. It was a completely new channel floating in an endless sea of content. Absolutely no audience, just a silent, empty digital room. But watch the timeline unfold. Hour 0, uploaded to a 0 audience. Crickets. But by hour 3, the impressions actually started climbing. The algorithm was testing it. And then, hour 5. The click-through rate suddenly jumps. The first real, human views started hitting the content. The analytics dashboard suddenly sparked to life. Watching those numbers tick up from absolute 0, driven entirely by a ghost in the machine, the creator noted it was this incredibly addictive, step-by-step feeling of pure suspense. Which brings us to day 5. And this is the scary part I promised you at the beginning of this explainer. This is where the creator's entire opinion about artificial intelligence completely changed.
One of the uploads didn't just get views. It started vastly outperforming everything else. People weren't just clicking and leaving. The retention stayed dangerously high. Real human beings were sitting there, completely hooked, watching something built start to finish by cold, hard code.
Then, the comments started coming in. One of the first real viewers stated, "This channel deserves way more subscribers." Think about the weight of that for a second. The viewer was actively praising the channel, completely engaged. But here is the major, tension-filled reveal of this whole experiment. That viewer had absolutely no idea that every single word they heard, every single cut they saw, and the thumbnail they clicked was generated by a machine. The illusion was absolutely flawless.
So the crucial point is what happened on day 6. The big realization. This hit the creator like an absolute freight train, and it should hit us too. This isn't some distant sci-fi future we're talking about here. This is happening right now. At this very second, there are probably thousands of AI-generated channels operating online, pretending to be human. And the terrifying reality is that most viewers simply cannot tell the difference anymore.
Now, what's really interesting about this contrast is the specific feeling the creator had while watching the AI's success. On one side, you have the AI perfect output. It is incredibly fast, hyper-optimized, and relentlessly attention-grabbing. But on the other side, there's the human element. The AI felt empty. It was technically flawless for sure, but it completely lacked real, authentic personality. It's a fascinating tension between the human soul and cold, hard machine efficiency.
And finally, day 7, the conclusion of our timeline. So let's circle back to our original question. Can AI successfully run a faceless channel from scratch in less than a week? The answer is a resounding, undeniable yes. And as the source material points out, this presents a massive opportunity and a massive fear. The people who master these AI tools right now, they might completely dominate these platforms before the rest of the world even catches up to what's happening. So, I want to leave you with a final, provocative thought to wrap up this explainer. Would you watch a channel if you knew it was completely made by AI? It's easy to say no when you just think about it, but based on this experiment, millions of people already are and they don't even know it. Thanks for joining me on The Explainer. Think about that next time you click, and we'll see you next time.